Hello my dear students, myself Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor in ECE department at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So, today I will deliver a lecture on digital signal processing. Its AKTU code is KEC 503. So, in my previous lectures, I covered IIR filter realization, how you make a structure in IIR digital filter in signal processing. So, there are so many methods for realization in IIR. Today in this lecture, I will discuss on FIR filter realization, how you make a structure in FIR. Okay. And what is the difference between the IIR and FIR whenever you want to realize the structure in digital filters. So, last time we covered about the cascade and parallel form realization. One form that is remaining for you, that is ladder form. Ladder form structure is also there, lattice form realization is also there, but in your course, in your syllabus, ladder form structure realization is given. That is why I will cover ladder form at first in IIR, and after that I will come on FIR filter realization. Okay. That consists of only your non recursive structure, not recursive. It means only you have numerator term, not denominator term. Okay. So, this is your ladder structure. You can realize your filter by using ladder structures, have the desirable coefficient sensitivity properties. A small change in the parameter have little effect on its performance. Consider a filter, this is the any generalized form, you can say generalized equation you can take here. Consider a filter represented by its transfer function like h of z, and this h of z in the form of this numerator and denominator, like this is your n of z and this is your d of z. Okay. Because ladder structure is what? It is for I am teaching you, this is for IIR. Remember, always remember it, in IIR always you form numerator as well as denominator. It means in IIR recursive form is always present. It means denominator is always be there in IIR. So, this is for IIR, not FIR. After that we will come on FIR. Okay. So, this structure, this h of z is given to you consisting of numerator and denominator polynomial. Now, this structure or this expression you have to make like a ladder form, this form. Okay. Like this one, these coefficients will be there and you realize your structure in this ladder form of expression. Okay. And in this also you require Routh Hurwitz criteria concept also that you studied in control system. So, and these are the some standard form by which you can take the coefficients here. So, now this is the question. By the question it is more clear to you how you make the structure using ladder realization in IIR. So, this given in this given system function that is given in the question, h of z is equal to 2 plus 8 z inverse plus 6 z minus 2 upon 1 plus 8 z inverse plus 12 z minus 2. So, this expression of h of z is given to you. Now, you have to realize this using the ladder structure. So, when what I told you, you needed here Routh array or Routh Hurwitz criteria. I hope you remember it, that you studied in control system. So, you have to take the here coefficients like for the first term if you take here. Okay. So, your coefficients are what? These are the what you can see from here you have to start 2, 8, 6. For here what are your coefficients? 1, 8 and 12. Okay. Now, you have to apply by the cross multiplication and division using the same concept of Routh-Hurwitz criteria, this because it forms Routh array. Okay. Now, by the same procedure, by the multiplying and division process, you can take or you can compute these values for these like this, and these values finally you have to use in your final structure. So, here your structure start from z to the power minus 2 for numerator denominator and it will finish at z to the power minus 0, it means 1, and you will find this coefficient, these numbers, these values, okay, that you can use in your structure. Now, the ladder structure parameters are like in this form that I told in my this slide. You have to you have to make your h of z in this form in terms of alpha 0, b 1, beta 1, alpha 1, beta 2 up to the alpha n and so on. So, like in this you have to take the values here and you will find your h of z in this form like 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 z inverse. Okay. Similarly, 8 by 7 and similarly your structure will be there. Okay. Now, this is your expression, final expression that you are getting from the example that h of z is given to you. Now, you have to realize your structure. So, in realization at first your coefficient is 1 upon 2, next it will be minus 3, okay. Next it will be 8 by 7, okay. Next minus 49 by 5 and similarly these coefficients will be there. So, by this you can realize your structure. So, here you can easily realize and this structure is in the form of ladder. Okay. That is why this type of realization in IIR is called ladder form realization in IIR digital filter. So, in this way what in IIR filter realization, that is finished from my side, we studied these methods. First one is your basics method, that is your direct form 1 and direct form 2, that is very common and you should know very well these methods, because if you know these methods then you can make another type of realization, otherwise you cannot do easily. But if you understand this, because this is very important and it is very easy to you. What in direct form 1 you, if h of z is given to you, okay. So, and this n of z numerator part and denominator part d of z is given to you in h of z. So, in direct form 1 what, always this form shows the what, non recursive term and this is your recursive term. So, in direct form 1 at first recursive system is there, then non recursive system. So, this is the case of direct form 1, not this is the case of direct form 2. So, in direct form 2 at first recursive and then non recursive structure will be there. Similarly, in direct form 1 at first non recursive structure is there, after that recursive structure is there. So, this is the case of direct form 1. So, in direct form 1 at first non recursive, then recursive structure will be there. In direct form 2 at first recursive, then non recursive structure will be there. And always whenever you solve this h of z, so for recursive you have to solve this denominator and for non recursive you have to solve for this numerator, okay. And you have to multiply, cross multiply in each other of your given terms and you can obtain easily these structures that I told in my previous lectures in detail to you. Now, next if you know, if you understand easily these direct form 1 and direct form 2 structure, then cascade and parallel form you can use, and this is the based upon these two structures. And also I told you direct form 2 structure is more feasible to you. Why? Because it solves many of the components, many of the your problems, okay. Like number of multiplier, number of delay element, it is to be reduced in direct form 2 than direct form 1, and direct form 2 structure is called canonic structure, and always you have to try to realize your IIR digital filter in direct form 2 structure, because it is canonic. Canonic is what? I recall you, canonic means if the number of delay element is equal to the order of the your system or order of your given difference equation for particular digital filter, then it will be canonic. So, always your direct form 2 structure is canonic structure. That is why generally we realize our structure by using direct form 2, and if you have to break this H of z into cascade form or into product form like H 1 z into H 2 z. So, this will be your cascade form. Now, this H of z, if you are broken, you are splitting this H of z into addition form like H 1 z plus H 2 z plus and so on. So, it will call what? Your parallel form realization. At the last, ladder form, that also I discussed in this my lecture, that you can realize your IIR filter structure using the ladder form. Okay. So, I hope it is clear to everybody how you realize the structure, how you realize the system by using what? These type of structures like direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade and parallel, and also you can realize your structure by using ladder form. Now, so now we come on FIR, that is the title of my this lecture, realization in FIR system. So, at first you should know, you should understand in FIR only you find non-recursive structure. Non-recursive structure means now you are not having any type of any value of past value of output, you only find past value of input signal. That is why I am writing here for basic structure for FIR, it always shows the non-recursive structure, non-recursive component, it means only you find in H of z numerator part, because numerator part always shows the non-recursive, and your denominator part d of z, it is always equal to 1 in this FIR structure. Okay. So, H of z is equal to summation n 0 to m minus 1 h n into z to the power minus n. So, only this H of z is only concentrating, it is generally based on input and past value of input signal. This H of n is what? This H of n is called impulse response of the system. If you take the Z transform of this H of n, then you will find capital H of z. So, this is the transfer function or system function of your FIR system, and you can realize or make a structure in FIR system. And another property that you will find also in FIR, that is the linear phase property, and this linear phase property is not possible in IIR. So, this is the speciality in FIR. What? It consists of linear phase property. It is a very important property that can be useful in several application of signal processing or signal system. So, FIR filters are often preferred in many applications since they provide an exact linear phase over the whole frequency range, because these are the filters and filters are frequency selective networks, and these are based upon the frequency selection, frequency ranges. So, that is why this property is very important here, and they are always BIBO stable independent of the filter coefficient. So, this is also BIBO means bounded input, bounded output. This is the stability criteria for checking any system. Now, now in FIR direct form, there is no direct form 1 and direct form 2. There is only direct form structure realization, because it consists of only non-recursive term, not recursive term. So, only you are having non-recursive term, then it will be only direct form. If h of z you are breaking, you are splitting into h1z into h2z into h3z, then it will be cascade form. So, in direct form realization, like y of n is given to you summation from k 0 to m minus 1, m minus 1 means what? This is your FIR filter is having a length of capital M, h of k into x of n minus k. This is the simple formula that I think you remember that you studied in LTI system. If you are having x of n and h of n, then by using the convolution you can determine the output of that LTI system. So, the same formula is using here, but for the finite line, because this is the case of FIR. FIR means finite duration impulse response filter or system, in which if your h of n is of finite duration, then it will be FIR digital filter or digital system. So, now here if you can see here, like if you put the values here from k 0 to m, if you are putting the k is equal to 0. So, it will be h of 0 into x of n. Okay. So, this will be your first term, your x of n you are giving here, and h of 0, this is the multiplier and it will go to the adder. Second term will be the h 1 into x of n minus 1. So, this is your x of n, if you are giving it to any delay element. So, you produce the x of n minus 1, and it will be multiplied by h of 1, and finally, it is added to this adder. Again it will be h of 2 into x of n minus 2. So, this is h of 2 x of n minus 1 you are getting here. Again you have to apply if any delay element. So, you will get x of n minus 2, and it will go through this multiplier to this adder. Similarly, these will be added up to the number of stages like m minus 1. So, it will go up to the m minus 1, and finally, it will added to the adder through the multiplier by h m minus 1, and you will get the final output of y of n. So, this is the direct form realization, in which only you are taking non-recursive values. It means present and past value of input signal you are taking here, not any type of past value of output signal, or you can say recursive form. So, this is the case of direct form realization in FIR system or digital filter. Now, cascade form realization. In cascade form realization, you have to split your h of z or transfer function into factors form. Like in standard or generalized equation, you can write this one if your h of z for FIR filter, FIR transfer function h of z is given, and you have to make this h of z into product of some factors, second order, first order, like this one. It depends upon your problem. So, you can write in cascade form h of z is equal to product of sum from 1 to m by 2 beta 0 into k, beta 1 k, z to a minus 1 beta 2 k, z to minus 2, and so on. And you are realizing your structure. This is your non-recursive structure. You can see easily, you can see here, this is your non-recursive structure. Why? Because you are taking simple what? pass value of input signal. You are not taking here pass value of output signal, because if you take the pass value of output signal, then it will be recursive. Okay. So, similarly here, so this is non-recursive, this is again non-recursive, this is again non-recursive, and these three individually you are realizing here by using direct form structure, not direct form 1, direct form 2, only direct form structure. Simply you are seeing your h of z, and as per the value of h of z you are realizing your structure, and then you are connected into cascade form. Okay. Cascade form means this is the first system, okay. Second order first system, this is your h 1 z, okay, into you are connecting in cascade, that is why into h 2 z into h 3 z. So, in generally in FIR you have to realize your structure in two forms. First one is your direct form, second is your cascade form. So, similarly, if you have to split your h of z into product form, then you can realize that similar structure of FIR into the cascade form. I hope it is clear to everybody. So, this is the example you can see, and that will be more clear to you about the realization in FIR. So, h of z is given to you here. Now, two factors are given to you. If anybody says कि you have to realize this structure by cascade. So, already factor forms are given to you, then you understand this will be your h 1 z and this is your h 2 z, and you can realize the structure like you can see further. So, already it is given to you, and then you are supposing this will be your h 1 z, this will be your h 2 z, okay, and you can realize your structure easily. Okay. So, first it is 1, okay, by the using 1, and there is no del element. After that the one del element is there and coefficient minus 1 upon 4. So, by the multiply of minus 1 upon 4 you are delaying your input signal, and you are delaying again your input signal by 3 by 8 multiplier. So, it will be there. So, this is your h 1 z. In simple way you can realize your structure in cascade form, because there is no confusion of direct form 1 and direct form 2 and recursive and non-recursive. That is possible only in IIR filter realization. It is not available in FIR filter realization. Now, similarly, this is your h 2 z, again your coefficient is first is 1, again it is delayed by the one element through the multiplier minus 1 upon 8, and again it will be delayed by the another element, and it will be multiplied by minus 1 upon 2, it will go to the adder, and you are getting the finally output signal, and this is your input signal, and this is your h 2 z. So, in the question already h z is given into the form of h 1 z into h 2 z, or in product form or in factors form. Then you can easily realize your structure in FIR. Okay. But if you want to this same structure by direct form, then what will happen? Then you have to form this h of z into single step expression. Okay. So, you have to multiply this. If you have to multiply this, then you will find this expression in single form, okay, of the fourth order difference equation. These are the these individual structure is of second order difference equations. If you multiply these two second order difference equation, then you will find fourth order difference equation. Now, you want to realize it by direct form structure. So, you will find this h of z. Okay. Now, you have to realize your structure. At first, you are giving the input signal here. Okay. Now, you are delaying your signal, okay, with the coefficient of minus 3 by 8, okay, this one, and it will be added here, again you are delaying your signal with the multiplier of minus 3/132, then it will be added, finally these will be added for final summation. Again you are taking the delay element of the input signal with the coefficient of 5/64, again it will be with the multiplier of 3 by minus 3/16, and finally it will go to the adder, you will get the output. So, it is very simple in FIR, or you can say it is so simple in FIR, only you have to merge or you have to solve into single expression, then you can realize easily direct form FIR filter realization. Realization means what? Realization means by seeing the, by observing the your transfer function or system function of the system, you are making a structure for that system. So, this is the structure. What? You are making a structure in block diagram form, in signal flow graph form. So, from this example it is clear how you make the structure in FIR by direct form and cascade form realization. Now, realization of linear phase FIR system. So, this is the additional property you can say in FIR, that is not possible in IIR. So, what it says? It says what? If the impulse response is symmetric about its origin, then linear phase comes and linear phase results that you are getting in FIR. If all 0 filter has a linear phase response, a spectral non-recursive structure that reduces the number of multiplications, like in direct form 2, you are reducing the number of delay elements. So, it is very easy to you for forming a structure. Similarly, if you are realizing your structure by linear phase property, so your number of multipliers or multiplication it will be reduced. So, it is also you are having additional benefits available in FIR digital system. What? It reduces the number of multiplication by approximately 1/2 can be implemented. So, for that what? Causal filter, impulse response, because non-recursive means what? Non-recursive, it means it is simple a causal filter. Recursive is different, but non-recursive means it is simple a causal, like a simple causal filter or system. So, impulse response for a causal filter begins at 0 and ends at m minus 1. Why? M minus 1, why? Because here we are dealing here m length of FIR filter, capital M length of FIR filter, and this will be the condition what? H of gen h n is equal to plus minus h of m minus 1 minus n, where capital M is what? Capital M is the length of the FIR filter, small n is what? Your discrete time domain. So, this is your property plus minus. If it is symmetric, it will be plus, it is if it is anti-symmetric, so it will be minus. So, this linear phase property that is very useful in FIR filter realization, because it reduces the multipliers. So, in this way you can realize your structure by using these type of methods in FIR. So, thank you very much.